7 days low carb meal idea po ka-low carbs. Una po, tinolang manok with boiled egg. Sinigang na pork po. Creamy burger steak at boiled egg. Next po, pinatisang manok at ginisang upo na may giniling. Yan, dagdag protina po ka-low carbs. Lemon butter garlic chicken with healthy cake po na avocado, boiled egg pa rin. At yung ating adobo manok with boiled egg, pamalit sa rice at patola soup. Nilagang pork. At last po, pinakahuli po ay ang pork kare-kare. Yan, with ano po yan no added sugar na peanut butter. Yan. So, yan po, mga dagdag idea para sa ating low carb meal for 7 days. Follow for more.